Hi everyone, I'm Sebastian and I work at Kmotion and I'm glad to present you our video series about our platform sexinsight.io. During this series, you will learn everything that can be done on our tool and how you can use it to its full potential. Are you ready? Let's go! Hello everyone, so I welcome you back on our platform sexinsight.io and I will show you today some different modules on our platform, especially the module people and the module product. So we are here on a demo project on the airline industry, and this project contains in total 1065 mentions, as you can see here. This project was made with public reviews from online review platform. So let's go to the people module, and this module, as the name mentioned, represents all the mentions concerning the staff of your company. We can see here that there is 773 mentions, and the index is 27 degrees. Just to remember, the index is a temperature that works as such. Higher it is and close to 40 degrees, the more satisfied your customers are. And close to -20, the most dissatisfied your customers are. So we can scroll down a little bit to see a graph that represents all the thematics in the people module. So you can first see the availability, the customer dedication, the internal organization, the expertise and skills, the roles, and the human qualities. You have to know that all these thematics can be fully customized according to your needs, obviously. If we click on availability, for example, you will see on the right all the sub-thematics in this theme. So first we can see the welcoming attitude, waiting time, reactivity, productivity, etc. The purple side is the number of mentions, and you will see on the right the e-index associated. So we can directly see that the most mentioned topic is the welcoming attitude, and the customers are more dissatisfied concerning the proactivity of the staff, but also the waiting time. We can see, for example, that there is only like 2 degrees difference between waiting time and productivity, but there is like many more mentions in the waiting time concerning comparing to the proactivity. 72 mentions compared to 19 mentions. So it's really a huge difference. So maybe that the waiting time is more important to solve because it's a more major problem in your activity. If you want to go deeper in the verbatims, we can go just down and we will filter by categories and subcategories. For example, we'll go to availability or waiting time, and then we will filter by. So we can see on this verbatim, for example, that people should have been called up by roles, but it did not happen. So it was a little bit disappointing for them. So we can now move to the product module, and what you can see here is the same presentation as in the other module, like place for synthetic view, the digital or com module. They will be all the same, but all the thematics inside are different, obviously. So you will find again here the number of mentions concerning your product and services. And you can see here there is like 860 mentions. And the average index is 26 degrees, so it's pretty good actually. If we scroll down to the thematics again, you will find here the product option, the product components, the security, product family, customer service and after sales, the other dimensions, the pricing, the product components, and the offer. If we click, for example, on the product options again, you will find on the right the sub-thematics concerning this product. You will have, for example, priority luggages, extra luggages, seat booking options, etc. We can see directly that the priority luggages is a topic with the most comments, but also where the customers are the more dissatisfied. So we can scroll down in the verbatims to see what's going on and why they are dissatisfied. So we will filter again by categories and subcategories to only display the comments concerning the priority luggages. We will filter by emotion to only have the disgust mention. We will see the disappointing customers, and you can see here, for example, that when you have a priority luggages, it's really disorganized at the airport, and it's really hard to get the baggage checked. And that's it for this video. I hope you understand more what the different modules in the platform can do. And see you soon in the other video of the series and on our emotional platform. Have a good day.